In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a video in Constant Contact. Adding videos to your email campaigns can significantly boost engagement and make your content more interactive and appealing to your audience. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate a video into your email template using Constant Contact's user-friendly interface. First, you'll want to prepare your email template. Start by opening up Constant Contact on your computer and loading the specific email campaign you're working on. If you don't have a campaign set up yet, simply create a new one and select a template that suits your messaging and design preferences. Once your template is ready and you're looking at the layout, focus on where you want the video to appear in your email. Consider your overall design and try to place the video somewhere it naturally fits in with the flow of your content. Now, let's move on to actually adding the video. Look at the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a variety of blocks you can insert into your email. Locate the video block option, which might be right alongside other options like text or image blocks. This video block is specifically designed to make the embedding process straightforward and hassle-free. With this video block in mind, click and drag it to the chosen spot in your email template. Now that we have our placeholder ready, it's time to fetch the video URL. Head over to the platform where your video is hosted, such as YouTube or Vimeo. Open the video you wish to include in your email campaign. In the address bar of your browser, you'll see the URL, typically a string of characters that uniquely identifies the video on that platform. Click on it. Right-click to select Copy, and now you've got your video URL ready to be inserted. Return to Constant Contact, where your video block should be patiently waiting. Click on it, and a field will appear asking you to paste your URL. Simply right-click and select Paste to drop the URL into the appropriate spot. Now that your link is in place, you'll see the Insert button highlighted, indicating you can proceed. Clicking Insert allows Constant Contact to do its magic. It'll automatically generate a static preview image of your video with a recognizable play button overlaid on top. This feature ensures your email remains visually cohesive and interactive, encouraging recipients to engage with your content. When your email reaches your audience's inbox and they click on the video, it will open seamlessly in a new browser tab. This method not only keeps your emails clean and efficient, but ensures the video maintains its quality by linking directly to the original source. With these easy steps, you can effectively integrate videos into your email campaigns, turning standard communication into engaging multimedia experiences. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this helps elevate your email marketing efforts.